It's incredibly easy. You should try it. So keep watching. First, you want to add your rice into your blender. This is cooked rice. You can also use day-old rice. It doesn't matter. Next, go in with some eggs. Now you're going to now add some mozzarella cheese. This is the brand I used, and this is what it looks like. Add that into the blender. You can go in with salt at this point, but I cooked this rice with salt, so I skipped that. Next, I added some black pepper, a bit of water. Cover this and blend till it is smooth. Today's special hug is for God's child Onoma, watching from Columbus. I'm glad you love the recipes. Please let me know where you're watching from so I can send you a hug in my next video. So now that it's smooth, I'm going to grease this pan a little bit. A non-stick pan is best for this process. You can do this in your oven, but this is for those that do not have an oven. So I'm going to spread this out and then add more spray to the top. I'm going to spray the top with the cooking oil spray and then cover for this to set on medium heat. Now you're going to do this until the bottom becomes crispy. While that is going, we're going to prepare the toppings for the pizza. Cut up some chicken breast into cubes and then we're going to saute this using a bit of oil. For the topping, you may switch it up, use any topping that you prefer. You can use beef, or if you prefer, use vegetables. That's your bell peppers. Alright, so in another pan, go in with a bit of oil, not too much oil. Add the chicken, some onion. This here is some ginger paste. Add your seasoning or salt and then stir this on high heat until it is cooked. This should take you around 8 to 10 minutes. Now the chicken is cooked, I'm going to now go in with this pizza sauce. I have a video on how to make pizza sauce. I'll try to link it in the comments as well. So stir that in well, allow this to simmer for a few minutes and we will be back. About 3 minutes later, this is ready. Take it off the heat. Now back to the crust, I'm going to gently flip this to the other side so that other side can crisp up as well. Alright, give this a few minutes, then you're going to flip it back to the other side and then we're going to add the toppings. See how beautiful this looks. Now you're going to go in with that chicken sauce, add it to this and then add some more cheese. Cover this up for it to melt, for the cheese to melt, that is. Once the cheese melts, it shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes. Once the cheese melts, you know it is ready. Five minutes later, I'm going to garnish with some greens. You can use bell peppers at this point. I opted for spring onion and this